One of the biggest challenges I have faced in my projects was the challenge between the user and the tool. When you are doing a project, you have a lot of ideas about how do you plan to frame the scope of your project, how you are planning to handle the resources. And then in the other side, there is the tool. And most of the tools are great tools. But the challenge is, it's not easy to understand, okay, where do I do this? How do I do this in the tool? And many times this consumes a lot of effort on training, preparing people, and trying people to get used to that. So the idea behind PMOtto is to solve this problem by using a seamless interface where through a chat you can talk, you can write, and you can interact with your friend, your project manager advisor in the other side called Otto. And he will support you by giving advice and helping you using cognitive systems to support your work with the project. So you can start a project, say, "Hi Otto, I want a new project." Or maybe, "New project." Or maybe, "Please create a new project." So you write the way you talk to people. And then Otto will translate this into the language of the tool you are using. If you don't have a tool, we can provide this to you through the cloud. So it's a very easy process. You say, "I want an executive report." And then Otto will ask you quickly, "What do you want in this executive report? Do you want this? Do you want a pre-formatted one?" So you can do this in a very simple way. And on the top of that, the other feature that brings Otto is all the machine learning process. So Otto is not only easy to use, but it's an interface extremely powerful by using machine learning processes to give you advice. For example, on the time of your tasks, on the cost of your tasks, on the resources you are using. So the process will work in the background to help you with historic information and also trying to make some forecasts to you to give you a better advice. For example, you put a task, a resource, and you put a duration. Then when you insert this, Otto will do a machine learning and will try to combine through very complex formulas and algorithms to reply to you saying, "Look, is this time you are proposing a good time or not?" Maybe Otto will suggest you to put more time or reduce the time. So this is bringing to you the easy use of the tool that you can use Messenger, Skype. And in the other side, what? A very powerful, complex and helpful machine learning. So this is what builds and brings PMOtto. And it's so unique. And it's the future and the present of what we are doing today.
PMOtto.ai